Welcome to JFC Studios.
Well, that is a fine how do you do. And look what you've done. My rear coupling is broken.
Gee, sorry, Gordon. We were just playing a game.
How am I supposed to make my delivery now? These items are old, but still very useful. Instead of being thrown away, they're going to Whiff's recycling plant. At least they were. Clearly, this is too big of a job for one little engine.
And Diesel can take the other half.
Oh, yeah!
And then we can race to see who gets there first. We'll see about that. Last one to deliver the cargo to Whiff's is a rotten rail spike.
Oh, I gotta see this. Come on!
Thank you, Thomas, for keeping your promise. Well, as long as everything got here, I'm happy. Except that my coupler's still broken.
That should do it. Give her a try now.
Thank you, Sandy. Thank you, everyone.
Oh, Dad!
No, the rocket didn't fall apart. It's too big to bring to the launch site all put together. But it's a big job, and we could really use some extra engines.
You mean we get to help deliver the rocket? Totally awesome!
Okay, let's come back down to Earth, Thomas. How about we each take one piece of the rocket?
Yeah!
I'll take the nose cone because it's very fragile. It's still important, Thomas. That is the rocket's battery.
Aww, I wanted to deliver something big. I've delivered a bajillion batteries before.
A bajillion? That means you have a lot of practice.
But
No time to argue. That was thunder. We need to make our deliveries before it rains or the rocket can't launch. Everyone, ready for takeoff.
What happened?
The wind knocked a tree on my coupler and I can't pull the nose cone.
I could...
Have no fear. And we have liftoff! Get it? Like a rocket lifts off. But it's a crash landing. Gordon's coupler is broken.
And there's no time to fix it. Thomas, can you take the nose cone to the launch site for me?
Absolutely! Initiate...
And look, he's got the nose cone.
Major Thomas to ground control. I've really saved the day. The rocket's all built!
Yay!
Awesome! And I got to deliver something important after all.
Oh!
No, I mean the nose cone.
Thomas, the rocket can't take off without your battery. It powers everything.
Wow, that is important.
It's going to rain any minute now.
Aw, bolts! The launch is ruined. Not if I can deliver the battery on time. By going at super light speed.
Do you actually think Thomas is gonna make it before the rain?
Wait.
Thomas!
Oh no!
Yeah!
10, 9. Hit it again! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You did it, Thomas. You saved the launch.
You mean my battery did? I guess everyone's job was important, no matter how big or how small.
So cool.
Yeah, I guess batteries are cool.
No, I meant Thomas. Oh, Dad!
New bridge. Now gently shift to get the cargo to settle. Ready? Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Back.
Thomas, we don't peep while settling our cargo.
What's wrong with a peep? It's fun for fun.
It's simply not the way I do it. Now run along, and I don't want to hear a peep about any peeping.
Oh, sorry, Gordon.
Hi, BillBenBoCo Productions stepping in here. You see, Gordon didn't appear in a quiet delivery, so sorry, there's gonna be no footage. Okay, back to the video.
Indeed. Methinks you and your noble knights must bring the dragon like that every year.
Come on.
This old water tower hasn't been used in 40 years. It should have come down ages ago. Come on, we can do it. Yo, looks like we've got a little cleaning up to do. Yeah, don't forget to clean, Thomas.
Hey, Gordon, check this out. Water tower.
You appear to have found a map to, the Crystal Cave.
The Crystal Cave? It's been lost for years.
What's the Crystal Cave?
Some say it's the home of a train engine.
Let me help you with that.
I got it.
Now, Sandy, best leave the big jobs to the big engines.
Okay. Huh? Gordon, you look like a train wreck.
That's because I was just at the old mine. Well, be careful, Thomas. One slip off the old tracks and you could fall into who knows where.
Where are you taking it, Gordon? The beach? The jungle? My shed?
I'm taking it right here. Thomas is taking it the rest of the way to Whiff's recycling plant.
Yeah! Today they're building the biggest, most gigantic sand mountain.
Do it, Thomas. Whiff needs to use all the sand we have by the end of the day.
I have to see that.
Moves!
Hi, Gordon. Didn't hear you chug up. We barely heard you. Like a herd of cows.
Very funny, Percy. Now then, all of these cows need to be delivered to McCall's farm today. Would you two happen to know anyone who might want to do that? Now, it won't be as easy as you think. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Now be sure to shut the gate. Are you two listening? You'll need to stop playing games and pay attention to the delivery to keep track of every cow.
Don't worry, Gordon. It shouldn't be too hard to deliver 8 cows.
It's 10 cows.
Now let's move out.
Good luck. 10 cows. Excellent work keeping track of them all. You must have really paid attention.
Actually, we played attention.
You played attention?
Yeah.
Well, it obviously worked.
Do?
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old McCall had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm, he had some cows. Maybe we shouldn't sing about cows. Chickens? Perfect. With bop, bop, bop here and a bop, bop there. Everywhere, bop, bop.
Hi, me again. So, unfortunately, Gordon was not in episode 12 either, so just gonna skip that one as well. Okay, bye!
Percy, is that you? It is Gordon.
Gordon!
The switch that lowers the bridge is stuck, which means I'm stuck too. Oh, you did it. Now then, if you'll excuse me, I must get to Vickerstown before the concert begins. Oh, everybody with this silly backwards day.
Good night, Gordon.
Good morning, Percy.
Why aren't you doing backwards day? Don't you think it's fun?
I do not. All this backwarding can cause nothing but problems. Now then, good morning, Thomas. You're to deliver a sailboat to the seaside, and that livestock car filled with cows to the farm.
You should totally try backwards day.
All right. I will try it. Oh, what fun.
Yay! Gordon likes backwards day. It isn't fun. Yay! Gordon's playing along. Hello, Gordon. See you sooner, Gordon.
Oh, yes. Now, be careful, you two. And do not do your delivery backwards. There you are.
Goodbye, Gordon.
Yes, actually, it really is all wrong. Not only did the two of you knock over a tree, Thomas reversed his delivery.
But it's backwards day.
Yes, but you were supposed to go backwards, not deliver the cargo backwards. That sailboat is needed for a sunset cruise today. Oh, I knew this backwardsness would cause problems. That's why you can't have fun and work at the same time.
Then
Wait, what?
we could fix.
Well, I suppose it could work if you went forward.
Thanks, Gordon.
Wait! That's not what I meant! It's like you fixed everything. Bad job. By which I mean good job, of course, because it's a backwards day. Well, I suppose you can have fun and work at the same time,
I'm glad we got everything fixed, but I'm also glad backwards day is over. I'm beat.